Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. Welcome to my channel. This is an all-girls meetup. No, I did not ride, but I did meet Miami and Merch. She is so dope, so cool. Check out her channel also. Let's go. I wish I had time to ride, but it's okay. Natasha, come say hey. Oh man, I never told you that, but you are my inspiration to start motor vlogging. For real.
Like I'm all
yes, no.
I'm so happy that I see you so consistent with the post on Instagram.
Yes,
I'm trying. On YouTube, I'm like,
I'm trying. That shit is a lot of work.
No, people think it's easy. It's
right.
Really not.
It's not.
But,
so are you riding with them?
Yeah, I'm riding with them today.
Okay.
I got a new bike yesterday. So God said, we're gonna make this work. I'm trying.
Take your time. I'm so happy for you though. Yes. This you right here? Nice.
It's scary as hell. I just had it yesterday. So I'm not used to all the throttle and the torque.
You got it. Miss Pink, I saw you last night.
I remember.
Yes, I'm not riding today, but I had to come see y'all.
Yeah, so glad you're here.
Yes.
It's a bunch of girls.
I'm gonna catch the next one.
Yes.
How y'all doing?
Yeah.
Safe riding.